I went to community college first, and then I transferred, so that way I had like zero debt, and I was done with all my general courses, and it was amazing. And then my stream blew up. How old are you? I am 24. Guess we'll play Hanzo. So, Landy, resub for 2 months. Kuroi Ryu 9625 just subbed. Cameron just subbed. The Heated.
What's up, guys?
Matey. Wait, how do I pronounce your name? Matawariat just subbed. Devoxed. 01 Logic. Squirt for 2 months.
With every death comes honor.
Darker DJ. Speedy 17400. Jojo 760. It's Glaive. So Captain Penguin donating $2 says, looks like it's time to solo duo with Stanky. I actually end up duoing Shatter. I don't think Stanky likes going above duo just because it's like, I don't think most people do. Because a lot of the time what ends up happening is the matchmaker just screws you over. After you start getting above duo, it's just like, yeah, I'll just put on like really, like the other 3 teammates you get are just gonna, like I'm pretty sure there's like a penalty to your SR or whatever for your other 3 teammates if you're trioing or higher, so I don't know, just like a random 3. Seagull, why is Shadow not streaming? I don't know. I just assume he probably has like scrims with Team Liquid or something in like 30 minutes, so he probably is not going to scream or stream.
Come on. All right, I'll be the shot caller, baby. Let's go.
That's a Gangu.
Peeking out. I don't think they have a Ryan.
Where are they? I'm like playing scared right now because of this. Genji's weak.
I'm checking it.
Let's see.
Alright, I'm back at main.
Fuck, I'm dead. That guy's dead. Peeking.
Oh, they're going hotel.
Luckily that guy missed some of his shots. I know the dude Lucio damage, so. Genji's 1 HP. Don't boop him, I can't hit him.
Got the combo.
Oh nice, you got that right click on him. I was hoping that would hit him. I've never actually tried some of those scatters. Are you pushed up that far? 1 sec. Oh, I see. I'll put a Sonic around the wall if you want to do it from there.
See that which is
Sure.
unseen.
I'm ready anytime. Sonic's gone though.
Shield's dying quick. 1,000.
That's on. I can't actually see it.
Just as when we were boys.
Damn. Hanzo with the shit talk.
Should have her shatter next fight. I'm gonna push up a little bit.
Slip someone. Oh, he's so weak in there. Fuck, I almost one-shot him.
I'm at 90 on shatter.
Aimbot behind. Did that arrow not even hit him, by the way? What does it look like from his screen? So he was sitting upper halls this whole time.
I've got you in my
Instant aimbot? I thought I hit that first arrow, but I guess not.
never surrender. Greetings.
Let's see. They still only have Genji Winston. I can still play Hanzo for a little bit. We'll try it out.
Mocked.
You want to flush out high ground?
Yeah, we should. More concerned about rushing here with the Winston.
See that which is unseen.
Why is it the Winston jumped up here is the real question. There it is with Lucy. Yeah, I'm so fucked. Or are we? Oh damn!
My ultimate is marks his blade. The payload has reached the chamber.
Oh, he's weak.
Okay, I have another one.
Yeah, I got one too.
Ready to unleash the wolf.
I'll set up a Sonic in blue room in just a second, like around the corner. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, be ready.
I'm ready whenever through the wall. Soldier's hit up there. He's hit twice. Team, please. On his hit. She has no nade. Here you go, on high ground for a second. We're so fucked. His shield's almost down. I have another dragon. We can keep pushing this. Soldier's in. I can dragon forward. We just push this Ryan. You ready?
Discord Lucio.
Push Ryan. Push Ryan. Lucio's behind us. Soldier Nano command.
Soldier Discorder.
That was easy.
Complete. Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses.
Let's play that again. I actually don't really know what to play here. There's a lot of good options, but also, Cal Howney, thank you for the sub. Lord997 donated $15. Said, hey, Seagull, just finished my last exam for this year of university. I figured I'd pay you back for all the background noise and general entertainment that you've made that helps me study. You do more good than you could ever know. Keep it up. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Build them up, break them down.
Go May? Ooh, yeah, I'm go May.
World is worth fighting for.
Dude,
The
I was
reason-
so ready to bust out the Oris. So.
The reason for May is because we
played
already have
PG
Zen
all the
Soldier, so we can handle this.
The Snooper Rufel.
We will complete our mission.
I don't know. Don't recognize the name.
That's why I'm like,
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
If only human and omnic.
Sign my profile. I forgot that was a thing in CSGO.
Hi. Hi. I hope you learned your lesson. I hope you learned your lesson.
The real question is, how many glasses does May just have in her back pocket?
Defend objective A.
They have a Pharah. May is, or Ryan is walled. Don't go in on that though, they're all pretty far back.
or Discord. Get you Discord.
This is actually so much spam. We don't have any.
Dropping it.
Usually you want to engage with this comp because you don't have any shield break, so they have more like overall team DPS.
Shield down.
Genji's 1 HP behind us.
Discorder 2. Where is this corner?
We gotta engage, I think, is a big thing. Fucking knocks by the Pharah. Hopefully this causes enough distraction for them to go in.
Can we get that in?
See, like, they were all sitting there staring at me, and our Zarya got 3 kills, so hopefully they do something. This Zarya is carrying right now. As long as he stays alive with 100 energy, we'll be totally fine.
This fight is not over yet.
Missed the
Run's
headshot.
coming in.
I didn't miss. I got booped by Pharah twice on both right clicks.
We cannot let it fall into their hands.
I mean, I mean, if I'm flying through the air, I can still, like, snap to it sometimes, but, yeah.
We can that's I have a shovel.
I'm sleeping.
We're on the mercy.
Lots are gonna get frozen on point if you're playing it. Just make sure we sit on it. Is the Ryan's frozen on point? I think you guys got this. Nice.
I'm fucking nuts, bro. XD.
That was so funny.
Where's
What happened? What happened there?
I charged in like
Jesus, it's so dark.
like spawn.
It's like everyone dies.
Sorry, yeah.
Enemy is here.
Oh no, you just
And then
sandwiched.
shouted him from behind. Oh, and then yeah, the Ryan was.
Just remember, I'm gonna look for a
being
wall, and we
charged.
should push on these walls because, like, they have a lot of shield break. Fair
Oh, you
mercy.
guys sandwiched me.
You ready to push?
400.
Oh Jesus.
Oh fuck, that's my bad. I didn't even think about graviton.
Well, we stalled it for a while. They have all their ults.
Objective lost.
Like split on this spawn
Stop
too,
the
3-3.
payload.
大家都指望着我呢。
It's okay.
Alright, are we just gonna hold him here and then have the grab from behind?
Where's our grab? Grab's a bar.
Now we can take him much closer.
Get me.
My ultimate is charged.
They almost, oh, they definitely have a shatter here. I'm flying to the corner. 100 on shield.
I want to get. I almost have my mail at 92.
My tactical visor is charging.
Almost ready. Clearing
Farah's in behind. Wow. I don't have. He just suicides like that because I don't have ice block too. If I had ice block, I'd just be feeding his brains out. Fuck. Should have put on my wall and it would have been fine.
My ultimate is ready.
that could have gone better.
So they just used Rez and Feralt to kill just me. Just like Jesus Christ. Still gonna win the fight though, because we didn't burn our ults back. Like the moment they got Rez, if we just nanoed or soldier and just let him instantly shred the Fair Mercy, I don't know. I think that's the only way we're gonna win that.
No, I can't push up past this point.
My ultimate
I'll just get booped in.
We got to go in.
I got Mail with Zarya, just rush on the point, we're good.
重住，不洗澡。
Is it pit flank through Farah? Oh, they might have it. He ran off. They're all just jumping off. We did not need nano aimbot on top of that.
Oh,
Fuck.
nice. Whoever killed the Mercy.
我感觉好多了。
I think we overuse ults now, we're probably gonna lose the game. It sucks.
You wanna hold close? I can shatter.
Ryan's a quarter health, they naded. I'm stalling the card as long as I possibly can.
Were we not ready to follow up on the shatter? My fault.
No, I thought we had it, so I didn't.
Yeah, you didn't lose the ult, even through nano aimbot. I don't.
Ryan's
Might be
top
okay
right.
if without Lucio pulse suit.
spot for
Everyone
him to
is
be.
counting on me.
It's a Farah top left of Feral, be careful. Pretty sure that Mercy's got Riz too. I think a lot are gonna get frozen right now. Just be ready for res. They're gonna res this. Soldier won't get it though.
Fall back, fall back, fall back.
Under, not gonna.
Are they still up top? Oh, they backed up. They're just saving up so many ults. They're not even gonna use res or take that fight because they know we use Mail and Lucy ults. Now they're just waiting until they get 6 ults and push. Ana's really weak in the back. Mercy's really weak. Fuck, I was trying to get her so bad. Mercy dead. Kill Zarya, kill Zarya.
What?
My ultimate is almost ready. My ultimate is almost ready.
I have another Mail. How close to grab? Oh yeah, we don't have a grab anymore. Never mind. This is super cocky what I'm doing right now. I'm playing in the window. When they push, I'm just gonna drop a Mail behind them when they come in. Why do you knock him out of my ult? Wall off his heels. What? I ice blocked! I even heard it and saw it.
My servants never die.
Okay, whatever, I guess.
I'm coming in with Hanzo.
Not over yet.
Tactical visor activated.
Sucks. I can't even get on the point. If he had Lucio, wait, we lost the game with Lucio and Ana ult? Man, if he had Lucio ulted before in that fight, it could have been okay.
Touch it.
That sucks.
Score 3-3. Switching sides.
Anyway, Spray Paint 619 Duty on Giggles Law for doing $5 says Go Huskies. Thank you, Giggles Law. Chronos HS, Shazami 13, The Fade 2. Thank you all for subbing. Shady Crady donating for $25 says, how do you hit 240 while streaming? I could barely get 200 FPS on some maps with a 1080i 700K at 1440p. Yes, that's exactly the resolution that's holding you back. Absolutely. Pretty much, I would never play on 1440p because I like frames. I love frames. If I can't get exactly 240 FPS for my 240 hertz monitor while streaming, why am I playing on a PC? Okay, honestly, people will point out, it's like, Seagull, you have like 220 right now. It's like, close enough. But yeah, it's definitely the 1440p. And also, my 600K is at like 4.7, I think, or 4.6, which is pretty important. Like, Overwatch is very CPU based. I think those are the two big ones. But thank you for the donation,
I'm
man.
gonna do my best to crush him really hard.
We'll see how Hanzo goes again. I don't know if it'll work as well as it did last time. I got kind of lucky. Oh, he didn't deflect my Sonic. Thank God.
The barrier's down, by the way, so you push him.
Soldier's hit.
You got pressure from both sides. You got a hook flank.
Four dead. You guys should be able to push for sure.
All we have to do is get point one. We won. Man, I love getting 0.1% or whatever.
4-3. Victory. Play of the match. Fire!
Nice. That's a lot of kills from Shatter.
Epic.
Hard work is its own reward.
Shatter's name is just AIDS. Why do you have to change it to that font, man? It's triggering, man. Wait, let's see. I want to see my SR go up. Good enough. Going or higher, so I don't know. Just like a random theory. Seagull, why is Shadow not streaming? I don't know. I just assume he probably has like scrims with Team Liquid or something in like 30 minutes, so he probably is not going to scream or stream.
Come on. Alright, I'll be the shot caller, baby. Let's go.
2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture
It's a Gangu.
Peeking out. I don't think they have a Rhine.
Where are they? I'm like playing scared right now
I
because of
am
this.
taking the objective. Reinforce this position.
Get these weak.
Anna checking in.
Let's see.
Alright, I'm back at main.
Fuck, I'm dead. That guy's dead. Peeking.
Oh, they're going hotel. Hotel.
Luckily that guy missed some of his shots. I know the dude
Shield's
Lucio
dying,
damage,
400.
so. Genji's 1 HP. I went to community college first, and then I transferred, so that way I had like 0 debt, and I was done with all my general courses, and it was amazing. And then my stream blew up. How old are you? I am 24. Guess we'll play Hanzo. So, Landy, resub for 2 months. Kuroi Ryan 9625, just subbed. Cameron, just subbed. The Heated.
What's up, guys?
Matey. Wait, how do I pronounce your name? Matawariat? Just sub Devoxed. 01 Logic. Squirt for 2 months.
With
Thank
every
you, Squirt.
death comes honor.
Darker
With
DJ.
honor,
Speedy
redemption.
17400. Jojo 760. It's Glaive.
I'll get us some faith.
So Captain Penguin doing $2 says, looks like it's time to solo duo with Stink. I actually end up duoing Shatter. I don't think Stinky likes going above duo just because it's like, I don't think most people do. Because a lot of the time what ends up happening is the matchmaker just screws you over. After you start getting above duo, it's just like, yeah, I'll just put on like really, like the other 3 teammates you get are just gonna, like I'm pretty sure there's like a penalty to your SR or whatever for your other 3 teammates if you're true. Oh, he's weak.
Okay, I have another one.
Yeah, I got one too. I'll set up a Sonic in blue room in just a second, like around the corner. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, be ready.
I'm ready whenever through the wall. Soldier's hit up there. He's hit twice. Team, please. On his hit. She has no nade. Here you go, on high ground for a second. We're so fucked. His shield's almost down. I have another dragon. We can keep pushing this. Soldier's in. I can dragon forward. We can just push this Ryan. You ready?
Just go, let's go.
Push Ryan. Push Ryan. arrow not even hit him, by the way? What does it look like from his screen? So he was sitting upper halls this whole time.
I've got you in my
Instant aimbot? I thought I hit that first arrow, but I guess not.
never surrender. Greetings.
Let's see. They still only have Genji Winston. I can still play Hanzo for a little bit. We'll try it out.
Mocked.
Someone get that payload
You want to flush
moving.
out high ground?
Yeah, we should. More concerned about rushing here with the Winston.
See that which is
Why isn't the Winston jumped up here is the real question. There it is, with Lucy. Yeah, I'm so fucked. Or are we? Oh, damn.
My ultimate is strong.
marks his prey.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
The arrow finds its mark.
Don't boop him. I can't hit him.
My ultimate is ready.
Got the combo.
Ultimate is ready.
Oh, nice. I got that right click on him.
The noose tightens.
I was hoping that would hit him. I've never actually tried some of those scatters.
Let's keep it moving.
Are you pushed up that far? 1 sec. Oh, I see. I'll put a Sonic around the wall if you want to do it from there.
See that which is
Sure.
unseen.
I'm ready anytime. Sonic's gone, though.
Shield's dying quick.
Fire!
1,000.
That's on. I can't actually see it.
Just as when we were boys.
Damn. Hanzo with the shit talk.
Should have her shatter next fight.
Walk it off.
I'm gonna push up a little bit.
Through the wolf's eye.
Slap someone.
Oh, he's so weak in there. Fuck, I almost one-shot him.
I'm at 90 on shatter.
Aimbot behind. Did that